Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your email address on GameStop. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.gamestop.com and hit enter. After the home page of GameStop opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in and then click on this account option on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the account option, a menu will appear on your screen. Now click on this orders option. As you can see on my screen, once you click on the orders option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see your account, settings and options. So firstly, click on this personal data option, which will guide you to another page. Now in this page, you'll see three options: name, phone and email address. You can change either of those three options by simply clicking on this edit button. So for this video, if you want to change your email address, click on the edit button in the email section. After you click on the edit option, a form will appear on your screen. Now you can simply change your email address by just filling in the email address you want here and then filling in your current password here and then clicking in this save option. The GameStop website will show you a pop-up where it will be said that a verification code will be sent to your current email address. So simply click on the send email option. After you click on the send email option, a code will be sent to your current email address, which you'll have to fill in here. So to do that, firstly open up your email and then click on the email that GameStop sent you. Copy this code and go back to the GameStop website and paste it here and then click on this verify option. Once you click on the verify option, and as you can see on my screen, my email address on my GameStop account has been changed. I hope this video helped you to change your email address on GameStop. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.